Hey y'all, iRick Guy here, and this was a little confusing if it's the first time that that you're using the Sony Alpha, in this case the Sony a7 III. But you can see here on this top dial, I've got it in video mode. It looks like a little film strip. But how do you set your camera to use Aperture Priority mode while filming video? It's actually quite simple. See right here, this button, it says FN. Again, while I've got the dial on the top set to the little film strip icon, then I press FN on the back. Now after pressing FN, you'll see a series of options. The option that I want to go after is down here in the bottom right, where it says exposure mode. So push this little center button here, and you can choose among various modes. The default's probably going to be program auto, but I like aperture priority. And like it says adjust aperture to change focus range and background defocus. Small values blur the foreground and background, and large value maintains focus for an entire scene. That's an important setting for me because you'll find a lot of videos, especially my face on video segments, where I defocus the background, and that's at with a shallow depth of field. So let's select aperture priority, and now when we go into video, you can see here I've got f2, this particular lens that I've got, and check the link within this video's description. You can find the lens and the camera body there. But this is an f2 25mm lens. So what's cool, and this is just a default setting, this little wheel right here on the front of the camera, watch my aperture as I move that wheel. See, now it's f2, f2.5, and I go all the way up for this particular lens. I go all the way up to f22. So for a wide angle lens like this, the best defocus background results that I'm going to get is at the f2 aperture, shooting it wide open. So you can see there I got it set at f2. So just a handy, hopefully a handy tip. I know this was kind of counterintuitive finding where to set that, but again, just to recap, when I'm shooting video, I'm in the video mode. Looks like the little film strip. And I make sure that my exposure mode is set to aperture priority. And then I simply adjust the aperture by using this wheel on the front. And that's just a default setting. That the aperture adjustment may be assigned to a different button on your camera, especially if your camera's not new. But out of the box, that front wheel was assigned to be the aperture adjustment. Hope this video is of value. I hope it makes your videos a lot better. Again, depth of field, this achieved by adjusting the aperture, is something that really gives the video that unique look and feel. So check the link within this video's description. You can find a lot more a7 III tutorials. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share with others. Hey, you want to support my channel? Check the link within this video's description. I've got a link to it there. And if you're looking for a7 III lenses, accessories, and a whole lot more, check out my website. You can find a link within this video's description. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, iRick Guy here. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe, like, and share. It's viewers like you that enable my channel to continue to grow. Thank you.